Right now at 8 o'clock at night saying she is stranded on the side of the road because her car will not go in drive, but it will go in every other gear. Sounds like a shift is like a shift linkage issue. It's on an older Hyundai. They're pretty notorious for having those little rubber bushings that take a dump, or the little plastic fucking little inserts that break on the bushing, and then whoop-de-doo, now she has no drive. So we're gonna hit that right now and see what's up. All right. Go ahead and just pop this bad boy up here. Let's try to find our shift lock and see what's going on here. A little messy in here. All right, so our bushing is intact. It's looking good. So what we have here, it's not getting pushed down at all. Let's take a look here, see if we could find anything else. Alright, so finding a short here. Found both pink wires here on the diagram. One goes to the range switch. Other one goes to the drive input. That's why we're not getting anything. And if I were to plug this bad boy back in. Hold up. Drive right now is not illuminating, and we're in neutral. Giving it gas does nothing. So definitely a rodent issue. You can see grounds here that are torn up and everything messed up. She needs this thing back right now, so we're gonna offer her a temporary solution to kind of wire everything back up, get her back on the road. So simple as that. Just make sure you check them diagrams. And good thing when it said two pinks, for the two pinks, they are actually different colored pinks. So you have a magenta and another little light baby pink. So we're going to splice this bad boy up, and then also we're going to splice this one up. This is, I believe, this is the brown white. That's interior light system. So this is going to be for the dash to illuminate. Might be a ground for it, because we also have auto tranny illumination here, and drive as well. So I'm assuming this is going to be power, it's going to be ground for it. Yeah, simple as that. Alright, this is a temporary solution here, but we just spliced all the wires in the collective, in their pairs here. We have two grounds here that are shorted as well. Not completely shorted, but they're definitely like half open. One of them with the instrument cluster, I believe that's an instrument cluster ground, that was shorted, so we did that. Plug it back in, test it, push down, drive lights up, and we're rolling. Our sport now works too. Drive works. So let customer know that this is a very temporary solution. This is not going to be the fix-all, but it is good enough for her to drive home, and then once she gets there, I will schedule in a time with her to get everything booked in. And that is how diagnostic's done. Yeah, so you can have the tape, and you know, if it gives you any issues, you can call me, you could FaceTime me, and we'll you know, we'll get you good. But yeah, I would consider this a good temporary solution so you can get back home and get you where you need to go.